Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will explain how Save Text function. The Save Text option can be used anywhere in Mechanic Desk where text is inputted. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, select the Tools icon here, which is next to the Quick Search bar and can be accessed from any page within Mechanic Desk. Click on the Saved Text option or press the F7 key to open a new window where you can create a new saved text or work on an existing one. Here you can enter an optional subject if it's for an email and also the body of the message. You'll also notice on the right hand side there are applicable variables similar to the communication templates. These can be entered to change the variable. For example, using the variable customer name, if your customer's name is John, then this name will show. It's important to use the correct brackets and percentage sign so that these variables function correctly. Once you are finished here, click Save. This will now allow it to be used outside of this Tools window. If we navigate to a job card, click Send and then send an email, you will see three small dots which can then be clicked on to insert saved text. Saved text can be used anywhere that text can be entered. For example, invoice details, job notes, and quote notes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.